Okay, so in the last class, I have discussed the stability analysis of discrete control system using Jury stability criteria and using uh, bilinear transformation. Yes or no? So today I will discuss some numerical problem based on Jury stability criteria. So write down problem number 1. First, examine the stability of following characteristics equation. First problem, suppose problem number 1, suppose we have one characteristics equation Pz is equal to z to the power 4 minus 1.2 z3 plus 0.07 z square plus 0.3 z minus 0.08. So examine the stability of the system. So if you compare, I will solve this problem, and then next problem you have to solve it by own. Okay. So first, if you compare this characteristics equation with the standard characteristic equation, suppose you know what is the standard characteristics equation: a naught z to the power n plus a1 z to the power n minus 2 n minus 1 dot 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 up to an. Yes or no? So what is the order of the polynomial? What is the order of polynomial?
4, sir.
4. That means n is equal to 4. So if you compare a given polynomial with the standard characteristics equation polynomial, then a naught is equal to
1.
1. A1 is equal to minus 1.2. A2 is equal to 0.07. A3 is equal to 0.3, and A4 is equal to minus 0.08. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt? So
No,
if you recall the condition of Jury stability test, so first condition for the stability for a stable system, A naught must be greater than 0. So first, what is the value of A naught? Is equal to 1.
1.
So is greater than 0. So first condition satisfied. Second thing, the modulus of an, that is the magnitude of an, must be less than a naught. So what is the magnitude of an? That means a4 is equal to, magnitude of a4 is equal to 0.08, and from the condition is less than a naught is equal to 1. Yes or no? तो क्या ये कंडीशन
Yes, sir.
सेटिस्फाई हुआ कि मॉड्यूलर
Yes.
मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ A4 इज लेस देन A naught? तो दूसरा कंडीशन
Yes.
सेटिस्फाइड हो गया. नेक्स्ट कंडीशन क्या है Jury stability criteria का? What is the next condition?
So
The
z equal to
magnitude of polynomial at z is equal to 1 must be greater than 0. So now we have to put the value that is Pz at Pz is equal to 1. Sorry, Pz. Sorry, just wait. Pz, magnitude of Pz at z is equal to 1. So 1 to the power 4. If you minus 1.2 into 1 to the power 3 plus 0.07 into 1 square plus 0.3 into 1 minus 0.08. यस अनु दिख रहा है ये?
Yes, sir.
दिख रहा है या ठीक है अभी?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो इसका मैग्नीट्यूड कितना हो जाएगा? 1 माइनस 1.2 प्लस 0.07 प्लस
0.09.
03 माइनस 0.08. तो इसका मैग्नीट्यूड कितना आएगा?
0.09.
0.09. सो वो 0 से बड़ा है. सो हमारा जो नेक्स्ट कंडीशन था, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ pz at z is equal to 1 is greater than 1. Any greater than 0. Any problem?
No, sir.
Now next, magnitude of pz at z is equal to minus 1. So what is the value of n? 4. 4 is odd or even?
Even. Sir.
Even. So according to Jury stability criteria, magnitude of, according to, just wait, I think. According to Jury stability criteria, magnitude of pz at z is equal to minus 1 is positive for n when n is even. Okay, so now we have to calculate magnitude of pz at z is equal to minus 1. So again, minus 1 to the power 4 minus 1.2 into minus 1 to the power 3 and plus 0.07 into minus 1 to the power 2 plus 0.3 into minus 1 minus 0.08. So minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 1. इसका वैल्यू माइनस 1 हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस 1.2. अगेन इसका वैल्यू प्लस हो जाएगा 0.07 माइनस 0.3 माइनस 0.08. तो इसका मैग्नीट्यूड कितना आएगा? इसका मैग्नीट्यूड आएगा 1.89. that is greater than 0. So all the condition, that means except from Jury's table, all the conditions satisfy the given polynomial according to the Jury stability criteria. Now we have to prepare Jury stability table. Okay, so according to Jury stability table, so z to the power 0, z to the power 1, z to the power 2, z to the power 3 and z to the power 4. Any doubt? And row start from 1 2. कहां तक जाएगा? Up to 2n minus 3. So 2 into 4 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. Any doubt?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
So what is the value of just wait, what is the value of z to the power, what is the coefficient of z to the power 0? I think its value is equal to
1.
no
0.
minus
0.0.
0.08, next 0.3, next 0.07, then next minus 1.2, next a naught,
1.
sorry 1. Okay, now so what is the element of row 2? 1 minus 1.2 0.07, 0.3, minus 0.08. Any problem? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So suppose next element is B1, B2, B3. That is total number of element is 4, and B4. Okay. Yeah, B0, B1. Just wait. So what will be the यहाँ पे क्या रहता है हमारा? सॉरी
Sir,
यहाँ पे क्या
Bn
रहता है
minus
हमारा?
1, sir. B3.
Bn minus 1 मतलब यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा?
B3.
B3 and then B2, B1
B1.
and
B0.
B0. Now we have to calculate B3. What is the value of B3? B3 कैसे निकलेगा?
Sir, वो multiply करना होगा, sir. Minus 0.08
Minus
into minus 0.
0.08. First we have to create the matrix और determinant minus 0.081 and उसके बाद यहाँ पे 1 minus 0.08. तो यहाँ से बताओ हमारा एलिमेंट क्या आएगा? 0.08 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1 कितना आ रहा है? जल्दी बताओ.
0.9936.
0.
Minus 0.99.
माइनस कहाँ से आएगा? ओ सॉरी
Sir,
सॉरी
minus
सॉरी
1 है, sir.
वो -1 है ना. कितना आ रहा है?
0.9936.
जस्ट वेट. हाँ कितना आया?
Minus 0.9936.
ओके सो इसका वैल्यू 0.994 आया ऑलमोस्ट. ओके नाउ B2 का वैल्यू कैसे निकलेगा? ये वाला एलिमेंट लेना है फर्स्ट एंड ये दोनों को लेना है. यस और नो. सो डिटरमिनेंट minus 0.081 minus 1.2 and 0.3. yes or no?
Yes, sir.
कितना आएगा जल्दी बताओ. माइनस आएगा ना यहाँ पे. सॉरी यहाँ पे माइनस आएगा. तो यहाँ पे
1.1.
कितना आया? माइनस 0.994. B2 कितना आ रहा है? B2 इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस 0.08 इंटू 0.3 माइनस माइनस प्लस 1.2. व्हाट अबाउट द अदर? कितना आएगा इसका वैल्यू?
Sir, 1.176.
बाकी का क्या स्टेट? So next B2 is equal to minus 1.173. Now what is the value of B1? So B1 क्या होगा? Again minus 0.081 और इस बार इसको लेंगे. yes or no? 0.07, 0.07. So again क्या आएगा? minus 0.08 multiply 0.07 minus 1 into 0.07. yes or no? yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So इसका आंसर कितना आएगा?
Sir, minus 0.0756.
बुक्स देख के बता रहे हो क्या?
नहीं सर, बुक बंद है.
माइनस
0.075.
ओके हम अगला प्रॉब्लम उससे देंगे, एक्सरसाइज से देंगे. ओके एंड व्हाट इज विल द बी नॉट इज इक्वल टू क्या आएगा?
minus
माइनस 0.081 एंड नेक्स्ट हम लोग इसको लेंगे 0.3 माइनस 1.2. सो क्या आएगा? सो अगेन माइनस माइनस प्लस 1.2 इंटू 0.08 माइनस 0.3. Okay. Okay, any problem? So इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा? बी नॉट का वैल्यू minus 0.204. So B3 equal to minus 0.994 and B2 is equal to 1.176. B1 is equal to minus 0.0756 and B naught is equal to minus 0.204. So again the element of fourth row is just reverse, minus 0.204 minus 0.0756, 1.176 minus 994. Any doubt in the element of third row and fourth row? Any doubt?
No.
Now we have to write down the fifth column. So how many number of fifth row? How many number of element in fifth column? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of 3 is equal to, I think, कितना होगा? 3
element.
That is start from C2, C1 and C0. So again, what is the value of C2? What is the value of C2? What is the value of C2? C2 is equal to minus 0.994 minus 0.204 and minus 0.204 minus 0.994. Now we have to solve it. Find the magnitude of determinant.
So 0.946.
0.946. Okay, very good. 0.946. Next, C2. Sorry, C1. What is the magnitude of C1? Again, first
0.9
and last element. That means minus 0.994 minus 0.204 and minus 0.0756 and 1.176. So what is the value of C1? What is the value of C1?
minus 1.184.
Very good. Minus 1.184. And what is the value of C0? So C0 is equal to
0.994.
okay.
1.176.
So 0.946 minus 1.184, 0.315. Okay, any doubt? So from the from the Joule stability test, magnitude of Bn minus 1 always greater than B0. Magnitude of Cn minus 1 always greater than C0. So what is the magnitude of Bn minus 1? What is the magnitude of Bn minus 1? That means B3. Magnitude of B3 is equal to 0.994. And what is the magnitude of B0?
0.20.
B0 is equal to 0.204. So that satisfy the jury condition of jury stability test? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the magnitude of C2? 0.946. And what is the magnitude of C0?
0.315.
0.315. Is the satisfy the jury stability test condition of jury stability test? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means all the four conditions of jury stability test is satisfied by the given polynomial that indicates system is
Stable.
Okay. Now next problem from exercise problem number, just wait. There is any, okay, just wait. So any doubt in the problem of jury stability test? Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
No. Very good. I hope. Okay. Next problem. Determine the stability of the following discrete system. Determine the stability of following discrete system where yz by xz is equal to z to the power minus 3 divided by 1 plus 0.5 z to the power minus 1 minus 1.34 z square z to the power minus 2 plus 0.24 z to the power minus 3. Problem: determine the stability of given discrete system. So tell me the general expression of characteristics equation or polynomial. What is the general expression of characteristics polynomial?
So your denominator
जल्दी
है
बताओ.
पूरा 1 plus. So denominator पूरा.
A naught z to the power n plus a1 z to the power n minus 1 dot 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 up to an. But the given system, the expression of denominator in the terms of z to the power minus 1. So how can you solve it? How can you solve it? You have to multiply z to the power 3, the highest power of z. Highest power of z is minus 3. Sorry, highest power of z to the power minus 1 is 3. So you have to multiply z to the power 3. Z to the power 3 from numerator and denominator. Then it becomes 1 by z to the power 3 plus 0.5 into z square minus 1.34 z square z plus 0.24. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now tell me what is the order, what is the polynomial given polynomial? Given polynomial is z to the power 3 plus 0.5 z square minus 1.34 z plus 0.24. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, if you compare with the standard polynomial, then from the standard polynomial, what is the value of a naught? 1. What is the value of a1? 0.5. What is the value of a2? What is the value of a2? a2 is equal to
Minus 1.3.
minus 1.34, and a3 is equal to
0.2.
0.24. Now tell me, what are the condition of Jury stability test? First condition,
A not greater than 0.
is a naught greater than 0?
Yes, sir.
Because the magnitude of a naught is equal to 1. So a naught is greater than 1. This condition is satisfied. First Jury stability condition of Jury stability test. Second condition of Jury stability test.
Mod an is less than a0. Mod
What is the
a0.
magnitude of mod an? 0.24. It is a less than a naught,
Yes, sir.
because the magnitude of a naught is equal to 1. So second condition of Jury stability test is satisfied. Third condition, magnitude of pz at z is equal to 1. First condition, condition 1, condition 2. Now third condition, condition number 3. What is the magnitude of pz at z is equal to 1? That means we have to put z is equal to 1 in the polynomial characteristics polynomial. So it becomes 1 to the power 3 plus 0.5 into 1 to the power square minus 1.34 into 1 plus 0.24. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Abhijit, what is the magnitude of p z at z is equal to 1? 1
0.4.
plus 0.5 minus 1.34 plus 0.24. Tell me.
0.4, sir.
0.4. So according to condition of Jury stability test, magnitude of pz at z is equal to 1 must be greater than 0. So is this condition satisfied? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. So third condition of Jury stability test, there is no problem. Fourth condition, magnitude of pz at
Z equal to minus.
z is equal to minus 1. So again, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 0.5 into minus 1 to the power square minus 1.34 into minus 1 plus 0.24. So it becomes minus 1 plus 0.5 minus plus 1.34 plus 0.24. What is the magnitude?
Sir, 1.08.
1.08. So what is the value of n?
3.
So according to the problem, its magnitude minus 1, 0.5, just wait, minus plus and 0.24. So इसका वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है?
1.08.
1.08. So
Less than 0.
according to Jury stability test, क्या ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड हो रहा है?
No, sir.
No. that means not greater than 0 because n is equal to 3.